there's one thing in this world that I'm super passionate about and have a strong opinion about. It is what cleaning products are really, really good and worth buying, and then which ones suck. And ever since I moved into my apartment 2 years ago and have been a big girl, fully on my own, buying my own cleaning products, I have tested out so many different ones. I'm gonna sound so lame right now, but my dream and like my happiness, I'm literally gonna sound so lame, is when I'm walking the aisles of Target in the cleaning sections and just trying different products to try out in my apartment. So moral of that, I've tried out so many different things. So this video is all of my favorite cleaning products, the ones that clean really well, smell insanely good. I don't know, just the best of the best. So let's get into the best cleaning products that I have tried and recommend to everyone. So we have 12 products, 10 actual cleaning products, and then 2 like utensils, not utensils, 2 like actual things that you use to clean with. And I'm just thought of another one, so I'm gonna make that 3. So let's start with just the generic stuff. There's some like really random cleaners in here, but all of them are, you get it, they're all really good. First up, we have Fulix Carpet Cleaner. This is the best of the best for anything that involves a fabric. So I have a light color couch, swear by this. If anything gets on the rug, also swear by this. Basically, it just is like a miracle worker for stains and has been the best that I've been able to find to get it. I've never not been able to get something out with this. I have price searched it because I bought it on Amazon because that's where I first found it. And then I like post this on my story a lot. Someone messaged me and was like, hey, by the way, it's like $4 at Home Depot. So Home Depot or Lowe's has this for way cheaper than Amazon does. At least it was that way in the past. So if you wanna get this at a Home Depot or Lowe's type of place. It's the best, you will love it, and it's just good peace of mind. Like if anyone spills something on my couch, on my white couch, I don't even care because this gets it out. I even had to have a chocolate incident where my body heat melted a whole thing of chocolate on the couch and this got it up and no problem. The second Holy Grail cleaning product is a really random one, but it is the best. This is car detailing spray, and when I tell you that I have never smelled something so good in my entire life, I am not lying to you. It smells insane. Basically, my boyfriend's dad had this in his garage, and so we were cleaning our cars and we sprayed this on our car. I'm not kidding, for 2 weeks after this, after we cleaned our car with this, like on the inside, you do it on like your wheel and your dashboard, that type of thing, my car smelled like heaven. Like every time I would go in and I'd be like, what is that smell? And it's this. So for Christmas, I asked for it and he got me my own bottle. But love this, and you can get it on Amazon. I don't think that this is one that you can get in like Target or Home Depot or wherever, but I know we got it from Amazon, so you can get it on Amazon. Laminate floor cleaner / wood floor cleaner, a classic. We have Murphy's oil. My mom used this all growing up and it just smells so good. Whenever I clean my floors, it's like the thing that just makes my apartment smell like fully like clean. And I love it, and it has just a nice lemon smell. I will say, I mean, I have laminate floors in here and it works perfect for them. It never leaves a film. So good, smells so good, and does a really good job at cleaning. We're in Wisconsin, so we have a ton of salt from the snow and it gets it all out and no problem. But mostly I love this because it smells good. Holy Grail product with a cult following. This is the best window spray ever. And it's like $1.99 at Walmart, Target, any of those places. It does such a good job. A little goes a long way. So when you spray it, just do a little bit of it, but it's also cool because it like fuzzes up. I love this stuff and it's so cheap, so no brainer. This is probably my favorite cleaner ever in the entire world, and it is Dawn dish spray. I actually don't use it for dish spray. I use it as an all-purpose cleaner, and it smells so good, but I'm telling you, this works like better than anything I've ever tried. I dust with it. I clean my sink with it. I clean my stove with it. If anything on the walls has marks on it, I clean it. Highly recommend. I know that Costco sells like multiple packs of them, so you can get it for cheaper. Not that it's like anything super expensive, but I just love it, and it is my favorite cleaning product in this entire haul, and I highly recommend you trying it out. Also, people were mad at me on TikTok for saying, as if like people get mad at everything on TikTok, but for saying that I use this as an all-purpose cleaner. It doesn't leave a sticky residue at all for me. It's the best. It's better than any all-purpose cleaner, because I know it's not an all-purpose cleaner, but it's better than any marketed all-purpose cleaner that I've ever tried. Kitchen cleaners extended. So this is a disposal cleaner, and this is like it's a little pod. Actually, let me go get it for you. So it basically looks like a large dishwasher pod, and this will make your disposal smell so good. It's also really cool. It's kind of like a science experiment. I get this from Target. Let Me Shine is like, I think I've determined that Let Me Shine is my favorite cleaning brand, and I believe that it's all natural. That is one thing, yeah. That's one thing that I need to work on with my cleaning products. If anyone has any recommendations on more natural cleaning products, please let me know. I have tried natural cleaning products before, and I just find that they don't clean as well. I know you could argue that it's not, it's not as good for you in the long run, but if you have any recommendations, let me know, because I haven't found any yet. Back to this Let Me Shine disposal cleaner. So if your kitchen smells, which mine did for like months on end, and I could not figure it out. I was taking the trash out a lot. I didn't have any old food sitting around. I was cleaning my kitchen a lot, so I couldn't figure out why it smelled. And so when I saw these disposal cleaners, I was like, oh, I'll give it a try. And now I use one like every single week, and it smells so good. Like I think I started saying, is it's kind of cool because it's kind of like a science experiment. Like you throw it in your disposal, you want to use the littlest bit of water, just follow the directions on this thing, and it like bubbles up and comes up, and just like you can see it's dirty, and it's just cool. So recommend this. I think it's like $4 at Target. If you have stainless steel, I love this Wyman stainless steel cleaner. This is another one that my mom always used growing up, and so I kind of just continued on using it. So the key to this and not getting it to streak is that you want to get a microfiber cloth and then spray this on the microfiber cloth and then like almost buff the stainless steel. So just do it in little circles, but this will make your appliances, your sink if you have a metal sink, your faucet if you have a metal faucet, just sparkle and look brand new. This product might be tied with the Dawn dish spray, and it is, I'm like, how much do I really love it? No, this is actually the best of the best. Barkeeper's Friends. This can get anything out of anything. I swear. I mean, at least when it comes to like kitchen stuff. This stuff like on your pans, and I actually need to do this sooner because I haven't done it in a while. So you know how when you cook on your baking sheets in the oven and you'll get like burn marks on them, and no matter how hard you scrub in your sink or clean it or throw it in the dishwasher or whatever, these marks won't come off. And it's basically to the point where it's not dirty anymore, it's just left on marks. This stuff will get it out. This will get burn marks out of your stove. This will get color off of your toilet. Like sometimes my sister, not to blame names or anything, but she sat on the toilet with tanner on. She must have really been taking a big dumper. I don't know, she was doing something in there because it left a tan mark on the white toilet and we could not get it out with anything. Put some of this on there, it's completely gone. Best of the best, truly. If you're gonna buy anything in this video, get this Barkeeper's Friends and the Dawn dish spray. So good. Dish sponges. Another thing I didn't think I would be opinionated about 5 years ago, but here I am, very opinionated about them. HomeGoods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. These come in different sets. I'm gonna try to find a picture of what they look like in the store. They're always there, like always there. This is just a really good sponge, and a lot of people think that. Like, it's actually funny because the first time I put this on my story, I thought people were gonna be like, it's a sponge. And I got so many messages being like, that's literally the best sponge. And I completely agree. I even give this sponge in gifts to my friends who have new apartments. Like, I'll put a little basket together of just like different stuff that is cute. It looks really cute, but also practical, and these are one of them. So highly recommend. You can find them at any of those like HomeGoods, Target, or I mean not Target, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls type of stores, but really good. This is one of my newer finds. We're on to bathroom cleaners now, and I should turn this around so you can actually see it. This is Kaboom It's called Kaboom with OxyClean. And what I love about this, I'm gonna be honest, I don't have an opinion if it cleans better. It's easier to use though, because it turns blue, and then when it's ready to be cleaned, it turns white. And I like that it turns blue and isn't clear like other shower cleaners that I've tried, or countertop cleaners that I've tried for bathrooms, because I can see exactly where I'm spraying it. Sometimes I just like to know that I'm hitting everything, especially in the bathroom where it can just get really gross. And this turns blue. So for that fact, it is in my favorites. Continuing on with the bathroom cleaners, besides that Kaboom one that I just showed you, I have determined that, in my opinion, and also with a lot of the cleaning Instagrams that I follow, that Scrubbing Bubbles is the best. I don't want to keep this too close to my face because we've used this in the toilet multiple times. But Scrubbing Bubbles is the best bathroom cleaner. They just work super, super well, and I can tell a difference between when I use other products and when I use Scrubbing Bubbles products. I will say there's a different one of this toilet cleaner that I like better. This toilet cleaner comes out clear, and they have a version of it that comes out blue. That's just, again, me liking to see exactly where I put things and just make it easier on me. And so Scrubbing Bubbles, love it. I would buy Scrubbing Bubbles product, anything for the bathroom. It just does a really, really good job. And also, I found this product from the cleaning Instagrams because so many of them were like going through their favorite products, like multiple different cleaning companies. I know, think I might be the only 24-year-old that like follows cleaning companies, but I learned so much from them. But so many of them were saying this, that like when I moved into my first apartment, I already had it written down that I wanted it, and I understand why they like it so much. Lastly, the actual tools. So here is the O-Cedar mop. This is another one that I never thought in my life I would love so much or be opinionated about a mop. Best mop. It has a cult following all over. Like, people love the O-Cedar mops. It's so fun. I think they also came out with a new version that I want to try that has like 2 separate ones. But basically you fill this up with water, and then this pedal like spins that so that it just gets all of the dirt and stuff off of it, and it just does a really, really good job. So O-Cedar, love it. And people like rave about this stuff. I even gave it away on my Instagram multiple times because it's like, I did like my favorite products of the year, and this was one of them, so. And lastly, we have this, which like I don't even want to touch. It is washed, and it looks kind of nasty, but it's actually not nasty. So it is a scrubber for your shower. So I just throw these in the washing machine with my microfiber cloths, which is why it has like white fuzz. I maybe should not be doing that anymore, but that's how I clean them. And then this just sticks on there. And so instead of like leaning over and then I would just get wet, this is like a very unnecessary and first world problems that I'm talking about, but it has made my life easier. And if you have like back problems, I don't know. It's really just for making your life easier, but you can just use it to get into all the nooks and crannies of your shower or your tub. And that is all of my all-time favorite cleaning products. If you have any cleaning products that you swear by that you think I should try, please let me know. Also, the natural products, I'm always up for trying different things out. So I would love to have more natural products. These are just by far the best that I've been able to find. And like I've said multiple times, I have truly tested a ton of different cleaners out, and this is the best of the best. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Again, please give video ideas that you have or videos that you want to see. I'm gonna go even like more micro with YouTube. And like, I'm a nosy human being, so I want to know how people organize their cleaning products. So like maybe I'll do a video like that. And then decor, I think I'm gonna decorate. We have a second bedroom in here that I think I'm going to decorate. I don't know, just random stuff like that. Organization, I have to figure it out. I'm kind of in a slump with figuring out video ideas. So please let me know. I am all ears. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post a video every single week. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok at by Sophia Lee. And I think that's all I've got for you. We have a super exciting, I'm gonna film it tomorrow actually. We haven't done any videos in a while that are strictly about the flip house that we're doing. So we're doing a flip house. It's our first one that's called the Go Big or Go Home house, so GBOGH house. And it is insane. It's $1 million house. So it's turned into quite the project. We did not go into it thinking that it was gonna turn into $1 million house, and slowly but surely it has, thanks to my picking out of products and additions that we're gonna do. But I want to do a recap on that since it's been a while. So that's coming out next week, which will be very interesting. Hopefully, I know it'll be interesting. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you at the next video.